Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Turtle Trade Channels indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Turtle Trade Channels indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 234 indicators, and out of those 234 indicators, 87 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 87 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is the Turtle Trend Channel indicator. You can see it here on screen. There's actually quite a bit going on with this, but really what we are trying to isolate out are these specific long entries and, let's see if I can find one, short entry signals. So I'm going to cut the video real quick here as I go in and I modify a few of these settings, and then we'll jump back to it when it's a little bit cleaner. Alright, there we go. So this specific indicator comes with entries to go short, to go long, and then it also comes with its own stop indicators built into it. Now, we are not going to use those particular stop indicators or those stop signals on this particular testing. We're going to use our standard take profit and stop loss, but when it gives us a long signal, we're going to go long. When it gives us a short signal, we're going to go short. And now that we've cleaned everything up, you can kind of see everything just a tad bit better. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so we pick up a long entry right on this candle here. Let's see if it gets us to the 90 pips. Let's check down. So there. Yep, got us on the 90. Got us to the 90 pip take profit on the very next candle that it displayed there, and probably a little bit farther we were to follow it a little bit more down the road there. Let's see here. We pick up another long entry right there. This one I'm a little concerned about. Yep. It only hit about 80 pips up before it took a nasty dive down. And that particular one would have gotten us stopped out. Then we pick up a short entry right here. That one has not quite played out enough yet, so let's go ahead and play it out. Looks like it got us to take profit. Let's just double check this stop right here. Oh, ouch. Unfortunately. Nope, I take that back. It got us to take profit on that little wick right there. It was really close, but it got us there nonetheless. And so that would have been another winning trade. Go ahead and play it out a little bit more here. So a long signal right there. And another take profit. Short signal right here. That candle is unfortunate. That is actually a gap up from 1 week to another. And as it did, it definitely would have spiked above our stop and then came back down through it, therefore stopping us out. That is just an unfortunate coincidence that there was a gap there that stopped us out of that particular one. Otherwise, that would have gotten us to take profit. Then we pick up a long signal here on this side. Check downward movement. Yeah, unfortunately, one had a pullback right there that would have gotten us stopped out. So we'll continue to play it on here. We get a short signal right there. It's always nice having these indicators that just give us a very clear marker telling us to go short, telling us to go long. Don't have to question it. We just take it. Man, that is really close, but unfortunately that one would have stopped us out as well. It is really close on that one. Continue to play it out. We pick up a short. Oops, right there on that one. And that one gets us to take profit. It was close, but it definitely got us there. And continue on. Long right there. Can already tell, don't even have to measure it. That one got us to take profit. Ooh, we pick up a short right here on this one. I do believe we would have gotten stopped out there. Yep. That one we would have taken a loss on. Alright, continue forward. Wow, that went let's see here. So we get a long signal right there. Which, let's measure out. That wick would have gotten us to take profit, but wick to the downside would have stopped us out. Now, we get this every now and then when this happens, but what I'm afraid of is that this wick came down and stopped us out before it went up and got us to take profit. So in this particular case, we are going to assume that it went down, stopped us out before then moving upwards. So it's unfortunate, but it happens. Then we get this guy right here, this short entry. And let's see, that one also would have gotten us stopped out. Wow, it is throwing some really close signals here. long signal there, and a short signal there, both of which would not have worked out for us. Then it looks like one more long signal to finish out the year, which would have hit take profit. It's a shame those double losing trades back to back right there, that may have sealed the fate for this one. There we go. That is the turtle trade channels. Let's go ahead and add these up and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have 15 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 winning trades, and so unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. There's just a little bit too much going on with this. The signals were quite delayed, and that was causing a lot of issues, I can already see. But yeah, all in all, not that great of an indicator. So it is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.